I'm Gayatri and I'm a professional organizer. My company is called Joy Factory that provides decluttering and organizing services based on the KonMari method. So it's a very interesting journey. I am actually a media professional and have worked with Discovery Channel for 10 years. And then I took a sabbatical, and while I was on a sabbatical, I came across this book by Marie Kondo called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. And I was very, very intrigued and fascinated. And that's how the journey began, because the more I researched about the concept, the more I felt that, wow, something like this is needed in India. When you go to people's homes and help them in organizing or decluttering, you're actually helping them mentally. Because you may have seen that when you have clutter or when you have a lot of things in front of you, you're not able to focus or you're not as productive as you would like to be. So I feel that one quality or one skill that you need to develop is efficiency and productivity in terms of managing your house. The other, like I said earlier, is about having a deep sense of commitment and passion towards your job, because I think the more committed you are and passionate you are about it, you automatically would want to research and come up with interesting ideas that you can find over the internet and read books on the subject, and then really develop your skill in such a way that is unique to you and to your company, and that will really help you in the long run. So in India, we currently don't have many courses. In fact, we don't have any course available in India. But internationally, there are courses available. They are online and offline. The KonMari course is available, the one that I have done. There is another course with NAPO, which is in the US, which is again offline and online. And there's another one with IAP College. Again, you can do it online. And these are the very few courses. So in terms of eligibility for the courses that I mentioned, since there is no background available and people have not worked in an industry like this before, so the main thing that people see while applying for a course like this is your own commitment and passion and enthusiasm towards a course like this. Because in the initial years of your career, it could be slow. So if you're ready to take on that slowness in your life, in your career, then please go ahead. The growth is immense. After the pandemic, I could see that a lot of people who earlier used to say that we don't have time for such a service, ये क्या बोल रहे हो आप कि हम आके सफाई करेंगे या ठीक करेंगे आपका घर, to people जो लोग घर पे थे, obviously all of us were homebound during the pandemic, they all felt कि क्योंकि आपका घर अब आपका पार्टी प्लेस है, आपका किचन है, आपका ऑफिस है, suddenly they felt the need कि घर को ठीक से रखना है. And I felt that time the queries for me and Joy Factory really rose, and I did a lot of virtual consultations because of that, because suddenly people felt कि अब तो हमें ज़रूरत है. And the same client जो पहले बोलता था कि टाइम नहीं है, and suddenly they felt अब इसी के लिए टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा हमें. So it was very interesting to see how the shift had happened. So I would say that the professional setback thankfully has not been as big as a setback, so to say. But like I said, the initial years of my career or launching the company was explaining the company and the concept to people. And I think one of the biggest setback, or I would say a drawback, or I would say something that really hit me hard, was how my friends and family were not convinced, and they were not convinced, so they started discouraging me. That's something I felt that, wow, that people are there to discourage you because maybe they don't want to want you to do well. But I think because I was convinced, I was able to take this to another level altogether, and now the same people, the same friends, family, everybody are so excited about the whole thing, and in fact they tell everybody proudly that they know me or they know Joy Factory. So should I be afraid to travel the road less traveled? Absolutely not. And I can say that very convincingly from my own life. You are so conscious about who you are that you feel that maybe ये successful होगा, मैं कर पाऊँगी, ये करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. But I think after doing such an unconventional career in my own life, and seeing the response that it has got and the kind of validation that I have got with, you know, a TED talk at Ahmedabad, in IIM Ahmedabad, I think that was for me the biggest validation, and I think that just proved the point to me, myself, that I should never be afraid to do anything in my own life. So if anybody would like to pursue this as a career, they can get in touch with Joy Factory. We will try our best in how we can help them in obviously pursuing this as a career, or enabling them to understand and, you know, steer them on the path towards a good career towards this field. So yes, I'm happy to take on questions and happy to guide the children and the youth when they reach out to Joy Factory.
If you like our video, then give us a thumbs up and comment your thoughts and subscribe to our channel.